It is Thursday morning. Come, let us forge the body of a gimpy tantric sex god. This is Lama Jigme Gyatso of the Buddha Joy Meditation School. Welcome to Jedi Fitness for the differently able. And now, we're going to prepare for two exercises. First, we're going to do a swimmer's push-up. Hips thrust forward reproductively. Shoulders open. Chin tucked. Elbows in. Then, we are going to move to a vinyasa, wherein we will flow from plank pose to downward dog, which should enable us to train our core without torquing our SI joint. First, swimmer's push-ups. Hold. Plank, downward dog. Let us now prepare for pulling exercises. The first two are rows with the elbows out. The second two are curls with the elbows in. Good old Jake used to say, curls for the girls. Okay. The most daunting thing is touching my tuchus to the wet grass. Left ankle under right knee. Both hands grab under grip upon left shin as close to the ankle as possible. The angle of the extended leg determines whether we will flip backwards or not. Let's row. Reverse, right ankle under left knee, and row. Reverse, left ankle under right knee, elbows in, let's curl. Reverse, right ankle under left knee, elbows in, and curl. Whew. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 is going to be hip thrust into tabletop. Really articulate that pelvis reproductively. All right. We have trained our hearts and lungs and muscles and bone density. Now, let us train our balance and our flexibility with eagle pose. Whoops. Okay, here we go. In As we raise our arms out to the side, let us stretch our biceps, lace our hands overhead, and then do a side-to-side stretch, stretching the entire spine from waist through neck. Let us now perform a standing forward fold, hands laced behind tuchus, articulating from the hip joint, not from the lower back. Weight on the balls of the feet. Articulate the rib cage. And subtle bend. Woo! Okay, now let us participate in a subtle inversion, utilizing downward facing dog while simultaneously stretching our calves and the back of our neck. Let us now combine cow face pose with gentle seated twist. Whee! Left leg forms the lip, right leg forms the hay. Left arm is the horn, right arm is the ear. Cow face. Left palm to right knee, gentle twist. Reverse. Right leg is the lip. Left leg is the hay. Right arm is the horn. Left hand is the ear. Right palm, left knee, gentle twist. We do not wish you to wear our shoulders as earrings. It's always good to relax them. We're going to conclude with kneeling bridge pose, which is a stretch for the front of the body and a tonic for the rear of the body. Oh, okay. It is good to exercise, but if we are serious about lucidity and longevity as well as fabulousness, then we simply must make sure that our cuisine is as compassionate as it is clean. If you want some help with that, go to Mike the Vegan YouTube channel, whose link can be found in the description area below. If you have found any value in these live streams or podcasts or blog posts or class materials, numerous and free to download, then please consider supporting this channel monthly using the link in the description area below the video. If you cannot do that at this time, then please support the channel for free by clicking the subscribe button, by clicking the bell-shaped notification button, by clicking the thumbs up button on each video, and writing a comment on each video that you watch. These things really help with the algorithm. I'm going to take a moment to dispel the myth of the greedy monk. For in the Tibetan tradition, neither monks nor yogis nor lamas receive support from monasteries. Monasteries are basically apartment complexes where you have to pay rent. They expect you to receive patronage from family and friends and students and strangers. Those who cannot do that wander as vagabonds. My friends, I thank you for your time and your kind attention. Until next we speak, may you and yours be happy and healthy.